Morning, Abotai. Very interesting halacha the Gemara brings down Masechet Shabbat Daf Lamed Chet is that a person is allowed to cook water or any other foods directly in the sunlight on Shabbat, even if it turns to Yad Soledet Bum, which means even if it gets very hot, that form of cooking is mutar on Shabbat. Why? Because you're not using fire, you're not using electricity. It is mutar since you're using direct rays of sun. However, if a person uses something that was heated by the sun, for instance, if you put water in a pot, you leave a pot in the sun and the pot gets very hot and you put water inside and gets cooked like that, asur. That's a gzeram d'Rabbanan because it's domeh to toledet ta'ur. It is comparable to something that was heated by fire. The Chachamim said that it's asur. Very common in Israel is that they have solar heaters. It's called a dut shemesh. There is a very big discussion among the poskim in our times whether or not the water in solar heaters, how do you look at it? Do you look at it as something that's heated directly by the sun through the solar panels, or do you look at it as something that was heated by something heated by the sun, which means like the pot that was left in the sunlight, which is asur? Now, again, it's not so common in America, but in Israel it's very common. L'Halacha Ma'aseh, Maran Zichron V'Bracha, in Yabia Omer Chelik Dalet, he has a very long teshuvah about this issue, and he says that L'Halacha, when a person opens up the water from a dut shemesh, and now new cold water comes in, that is permissible because that is considered being heated directly by the sun, and therefore he says it's mutar to use water from such solar systems on Shabbat. Now, that only applies, he says, with regards to drinking, with regards to washing your face, hands, feet. With regards to showering, that's a totally different thing. B'ezrat Hashem, we'll discuss that tomorrow and in other days. However, with regards to using that, that's mutar. Now, in America, where these systems are not so common, for instance, all we have over here are either boilers or instant water heaters that are powered either by fire, by electricity, whatever it is. Over there, that is not part of this. We do not use such hot water systems on Shabbat. It is not the same thing as the solar powered that they have in Eretz Yisrael. We'll speak about more details with regards to this halacha in the coming days. Have a wonderful day.